In the last 10 years, the world's population grew by almost 1 billion, and food demand increased by 50%. Farmers were facing a lot of challenges keeping up with the demand, but climate impact made it even harder. New pests and diseases have been spreading, and the cost of resources like fertiliser have been rising significantly. To deal with these challenges, farmers have tried practicing precision farming, a technique that uses location-based data collection on the field for making informed decisions for precise and sustainable crop management. Initially, it required the use of specialised equipment that needed operators with extensive knowledge of data analysis. As a result, the measurement was carried out inconsistently and the data varied greatly. But Agile Robots recently launched a new product line called Agri that helps farmers with this, like we can see on the example of a farmers collective in Denmark.
Hi, my name is Torben Petersen and I'm a Danish farmer from the southern part of Jutland. At my farm, we started using the Agri Sense system 2 years ago after we faced various problems on our farm. The Agri Sense system basically consists of 3 main parts. You have the ground vehicle, a station and a drone. The drone can quickly fly over the fields, map them out, and it can estimate certain crop data like nutrition and divide the field into sections, which is very usable as a farmer. The rover roams over the field constantly, so it collects precise physical data that we can then use. Well, that also includes measuring certain soil properties like humidity and nutrient levels with a range of soil probes. The crop parameters like nutrition and overall yield performances are also measured by AI-enhanced cameras and of course the robotic arm. So by continuously measuring this, we're all getting super precise information about our fields in the Agri Sense software, which I have here on my computer. Easy accessible. So you can see this really helps us to apply our water, fertilizer and so on only where and when it's needed, which has definitely helped us lower our costs and greatly led to an increase in our production. Another good use of the system is dealing with some new diseases. This weather module of the station helps with predicting diseases, since the spreading of them is usually also dependent on weather, something which is out of our hands. The rover's AI therefore detects and closely examines irregularities in the crops, and the arm can analyze it in more detail. It then alerts me if it finds anything like infected plants, and I can then kind of choose to look right through its cameras on my phone. Let me show you. And see if it looks suspicious. I usually then tell the rover to map the surrounding area in detail so I can see how far it spreads. Once I have this information, I can then treat the sick crop while keeping the other plants safe.
So this is how farmers these days were able to overcome the many problems they had some years back. Looks like the future of farming is in good hands.